Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. In this lecture we will take a look at text shadow, which is another cool property in CSS. So let's proceed. Here we have a div with an ID of container. Let's write something here inside a paragraph. So it's paragraph and let's write here say again I like cheese. You can say you are so boring, you only like cheese, nothing else, huh? Okay, so let's save it and let's come here and well, let's right click here and open in browser. Here it is. So I like cheese. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So come here, style our p tag and let's write here font size say 30 pixel and color say red. Let's save it, come here, take a look. Yup, and also let's make font weight bold. Let's save it, come here, take a look. Okay, so now it's looking kind of colorful. Now let's add text shadow to it. Come here, right here, text shadow, and again like box shadow, it will accept horizontal value, vertical value and blur value. That's it, and also the color value. So these four values it will take. So let's take a look. So text shadow, let's make it 5 pixel from left, 5 pixel from top, and let's make it 3 pixel blur and make the color #333, which is a dark gray. Now let's refresh. Here it is. It is a text shadow. Now let's decrease the horizontal and vertical value to 2 pixel. Now let's save it, come here and refresh. Here it is. I like cheese with text shadow. Okay, now let's increase its font size so to make it a lot more emphasizing. Let's make it 80 pixel. Hit refresh. I like cheese with a cool text shadow. Yep, it's looking really cool. But let's remove this width and height property from this container div. Now let's save it, come here, hit refresh. I like cheese. Now let's increase the text shadow a little bit. This is for horizontal, this is for vertical, this is for the blur 3 pixel. Blur 3 pixel is kind of looking cool, and also the color #333. That's nice. No, 5 pixel is kind of looking lot more, right? Let's increase the blur. Let's make it say 7 and let's see how it looks. Yup. So if you increase the horizontal and vertical value, increase the blur value, and just practice and just take a look. I would recommend just play around with these stuff. It's really cool, fun, and also it will help you to learn lot more. Everything will become fixed in your brain if you practice more. So that's it friends. This is the text shadow and it doesn't require any kind of browser compatibility prefixes like say Moz or WebKit, nothing. It's very simple. Text shadow, then provide horizontal value, vertical value and blur value, and then the color itself. It is our text shadow. So that's it friends for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.